I'm back with part 2. The styles of champagne, the sweetness in the champagne, how it is labeled, and also the different sizes available. First style, Cuvée de Prestige. These fabulous or fabulously expensive champagnes are made in the best years. They may be a single vintage or a combination of different vintages. A few examples are Dom Perignon, Rodra, Bollinger, Winston Churchill. The second, the vintage champagne. This wine is made from grapes of a single good year. The year will also appear on the bottle. These wines are well matured before being released for sale. The third style, non vintage champagne. This is a blend of wines from different years. The finest will have some vintage quality in the wine that is used for blending. A champagne dedicated to the ladies, the pink champagne, can be a vintage or a non vintage character, classically made by leaving the black grape skin with the juice until it becomes pink in color. It can also be made by adding a little red wine, such as a Bosey, to the white wine before bottling. The last one, the inexpensive champagne, the Cremant. It is a style of champagne which is semi-sparkling because only 3.5 atmosphere of pressure is in the bottle. It sometimes has the name of the village attached as well. Now, one of the bottles that I have with me is the pink champagne. This is one of the options that you have available in the styles of champagne. मेरे पास अभी बॉटल है इसलिए मैं आपको दिखा सकती हूँ. I will also tell you how it is opened in front of the guest. So you see this silver foil. This part, there is an element here which I will show you. Wait. Where it is. Okay. So around here, you can cut it with the knife that you have in your wine opener. So you remove the foil, और foil के अंदर वो केज होता है जो हमने presentation में देखा है. This cage you have to unwind, and after you unwind, that cage has to come off. Now precaution से कोई napkin भी रखते हैं when you twist, but what you're supposed to be twisting is the bottle, okay, not the cork. So when you're opening a champagne bottle, you are moving the bottle and releasing the pressure a little inside the bottle. You don't need to do much because after some time वो pressure अपने आप build होके cork निकल जाएगा and there'll be a slight pop to it. But अगर आपने vigorously किया, जैसे आप कोका कोला की बॉटल भी शेक करके खोलो तो there's gonna be pressure, ये भी उस तरह से हवा में उड़ेगा. Now please understand the accidents that happen and people could get hurt and the function could be damaged. But आपको ये बहुत carefully करना होता है. Once you start opening a lot of bottles, you'll get the hang of it. That's not rocket science. But like I said, when you're opening, it has to be at, you have to place it in your, insert in one side of the belly, and then you turn it with a napkin if you're not too equipped with opening it, and then you turn the bottle and वो आराम से खुल जाता है, and that is it. And then you have the party. So let the party begin. अब मेरे पास दो तरह के वाइन स्टॉपर्स हैं. Why is this needed? Because when we open a bottle, क्योंकि उसका effervescence या उसका जो भी character है, we don't need to lose out on that. So what we do is we vacuum it out and we put this stopper and we close it. तो ये बंद हो जाता है and it can stay. If you're keeping the bottle, it can stay for a day or two in the refrigerator. But यकीन माने, if you're opening a bottle, it's better you consume it rather than keeping it because उसका character एक बार ख़त्म हो जाता है वो खुलने के बाद. It's not supposed to be stored and drank for 10 and 15 days. नहीं. If you're opening a bottle, maximum 1 or 2 days, please consume it. So you have something like this, which is a wine stopper, or even this. Alright. तो ये दो तरीके के मेरे पास है. I will show you some more in the slides and pictures where you have plenty, and they are beautiful styles which have come up in the market. Came across this wine silencer which opens the champagne without the pop. But where's the fun then? लिक्योर दी तिराज का असर यहाँ पे देखने मिलता है शैम्पेन में with regards to sugar in the dosage. The first being the extra brut or the brut zero nature. Bone dry champagne, very rare style, very popular as well. The brut has up to 1% of sugar in it. It is very dry too. Extra sec and extra dry have 1 to 2%, between dry to medium dry. Sec है उसमें 2 से 4% sugar होगा, which is medium sweet. Demi sec is 4 to 6%, which is sweeter. Semi doux is 6 to 8%, which is sweet, and doux is extremely luscious and sweet, which goes up to 8%. And the most fascinating aspect, the different sizes of bottle available, from quarter bottle to half the bottle, a complete bottle which is 750, Magnum which is 2 bottles, Geobomb which is 4 bottles, Riobomb which is 6 bottles, Methuselam which is 8 bottles, Salman Nazar which is 12, Balthazar with 16 bottles, and Nebuchadnezzar with 20 bottles. The opener for the Ferrari Championship. Chalo, let's talk about how are the 4 ways in which this sparkle can be added to this wine. The first one that we discussed was method champenoise, method traditional, or method classico, which was nothing. If we have to recap again, it was adding yeast to this bone dry wine and bottling it up. Because the CO2 cannot escape, the carbon dioxide gets chemically bond with this wine, and that's why the effervescence and the beautiful glitter. Hence, a champagne has to be strictly made only by this method. Alright? The second one, method Charmet or method Curvy Close. Now, this was invented by a French scientist known as Eugene Charmet in 1909. What he did was he had the secondary fermentation in closed tanks, and this was bulk champagne that was made. So after the fermentation was done in these sealed closed tanks, this was filtered, and then the bottles were filled, and the carbon dioxide was added under pressure. So this is the second method. Now the third method, which is method transfer or method transvasement. यहाँ पे the fermentation happens inside the bottle, but the bottles are disgorged into high pressure tanks. The wine is filtered and then bottled under pressure. Okay, the last one, method Gazify or method Pompe Bicyclette. Now this is an injection method wherein the carbon dioxide is injected in chilled wine under pressure. So this is the cheapest and the quickest way of making a sparkling wine, but the resulting large bubbles move out as soon as the wine is poured into the glass. So the authentic way of making champagne, which is the sparkling wine, is only method champenoise, where the carbon dioxide is chemically bond with the wine. In rest all the methods, carbon dioxide is injected in the bottle. That's why the method. Alright? So here we come to the end of a very delightful bubbly topic, champagne. I enjoyed making this session, and thank you for all the love that you showed with regards to your comments on the video. I would endeavor to make some beautiful ones in future. Thank you so much. Until my next video, stay happy, stay safe. Bye-bye.